The Guitar Zombie is back again today with a sound sample of the Korg SDD 3000 delay. It's a pedal version of the 1982 rack-mounted delay. And this pedal has a preamp inside of it, so it colors the tone even more. For this sample I use a Fender Stratocaster, a Marshall, and the box of Doom down there in the corner. I want to show you the actual SDD delay, and there's a bunch of other delays too, but you can read more about them in the full review on the blogs. I will show you the links in the end of this clip. So this is how the SDD 3000 delay sounds like. If you want to know more about this Korg SDD 3000 delay pedal, you can check it out on the blogs. The links is coming up in a second. Bye.